In the silent vacuum of space, far beyond the reach of human senses, the universe has always guarded its secrets in darkness. For thousands of years, humanity could only look up at the night sky and wonder what lay beyond the faint points of light scattered across it. With the invention of telescopes, that darkness began to recede. Over time, more powerful instruments revealed planets, nebulae, and distant galaxies. Each new discovery expanded our understanding of the cosmos, but it also revealed how much remained hidden. Because much of the universe does not shine in visible light. It glows in wavelengths our eyes cannot see. And to uncover those hidden realms, astronomers needed a different kind of telescope. In 2021, after decades of planning, engineering, and international collaboration, that telescope was finally launched. It is called the James Webb Space Telescope. Often described as the most powerful space observatory ever built, Webb represents a fundamental leap forward in our ability to study the universe. It was developed through a partnership between NASA, the European Space Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency, a global effort to push the boundaries of science and exploration. But Webb is not just bigger or more advanced than earlier telescopes. It is designed to see the universe in an entirely different way. Unlike the Hubble Space Telescope, which primarily observes visible and ultraviolet light, Webb is optimized for infrared. This distinction changes everything. Infrared light can pass through vast clouds of cosmic dust that block visible light. It can reveal objects that are too faint, too distant, or too cold to be detected otherwise. In essence, Webb allows astronomers to see through the universe's veil. And what lies behind that veil is extraordinary. To function properly, Webb must operate in extreme cold, just a few tens of degrees above absolute zero. To achieve this, it carries a massive, multi-layered sun shield the size of a tennis court, protecting it from heat and light emitted by the sun, Earth, and Moon. This delicate structure allows its instruments to detect incredibly faint infrared signals, light that has traveled across billions of years of cosmic history. Rather than orbiting Earth, Webb resides nearly 1.5 million kilometers away, a location known as Lagrange Point 2. From this stable vantage point, it can maintain a constant orientation, keeping its sun shield between itself and the sun while continuously observing deep space. It is, in a sense, perfectly positioned to look outward into both distance and time. Because when we observe distant objects in space, we are also looking into the past. Light does not travel instantly. It takes time to cross the vast distances between stars and galaxies. The farther away something is, the longer its light has been traveling. Webb takes advantage of this cosmic time delay to study the earliest epochs of the universe. Shortly after becoming operational, the telescope released its first deep-field images. What appeared at first glance to be a simple patch of darkness was revealed to contain thousands of galaxies, each one a vast system of stars, gas, and dust. Some of these galaxies formed more than 13 billion years ago, not long after the Big Bang. For the first time, astronomers could analyze their structure, composition, and evolution in remarkable detail. These observations are reshaping our understanding of how the first galaxies formed and how they grew over time. They have even challenged existing theories, suggesting that galaxies may have formed earlier and evolved faster than scientists once believed. But Webb's discoveries are not limited to the distant universe. Closer to home, it has transformed our understanding of star formation. Stars are born within dense clouds of gas and dust, regions that appear dark and opaque in visible light. For decades, these stellar nurseries remained largely hidden from view. Webb has changed that. Peering into these clouds, it has revealed intricate structures, glowing filaments, collapsing cores, and jets of material streaming from newborn stars. These images are not just visually stunning, They provide critical data about how stars and planetary systems form. They offer a glimpse into the processes that billions of years ago led to the formation of our own sun and the planets that orbit it. Webb has also opened a new chapter in the study of exoplanets, worlds orbiting other stars. Before its launch, astronomers could detect exoplanets and measure some of their basic properties. But studying their atmospheres in detail was extremely difficult. Webb has changed that as well. By analyzing the light of a star as it passes through a planet's atmosphere during a transit, Webb can identify the chemical fingerprints of molecules present there. Using this technique, it has detected water vapor, methane, carbon dioxide, and other compounds in distant worlds. One of the most intriguing examples is K2-18b. This planet, located within its star's habitable zone, has shown signs of a complex atmosphere rich in carbon-based molecules. Some observations have even hinted at the possible presence of dimethyl sulfide, a compound that, on Earth, is associated with biological activity. While these findings are still tentative, they represent a major step toward identifying potential biosignatures beyond our solar system. For the first time in human history, we are beginning to probe the atmospheres of distant worlds in search of life. Webb is also revealing the chemical richness of the universe itself. In cold interstellar space, it has detected complex organic molecules, the building blocks of life, drifting between stars. These molecules may eventually become part of new planetary systems, suggesting that the ingredients for life are widespread across the galaxy. Even within our own solar system, Webb has provided unprecedented views. It has observed planets like Jupiter, capturing detailed images of its storms, auroras, and atmospheric layers. It has studied Neptune, revealing high-altitude clouds and temperature variations with remarkable precision. It has also examined distant icy bodies, rings, and comets, objects that preserve clues about the early history of our solar system. Each observation adds another piece to the puzzle of how planetary systems form and evolve. Yet perhaps the most profound impact of Webb is not any single discovery. It is the shift in perspective it provides. For generations, astronomers have been limited by what their instruments could detect. Many questions remained unanswered simply because the data did not exist. Now that is changing. Webb is expanding the boundaries of what is observable, and with it, the boundaries of human knowledge. Questions that once seemed philosophical are becoming scientific. How did the first structures in the universe form? How common are habitable worlds? Could life exist beyond Earth? These are no longer abstract ideas. They are measurable, testable, and increasingly within reach. And Webb is only the beginning. Future missions, such as Ariel, will build upon its discoveries, analyzing the atmospheres of hundreds of exoplanets in even greater detail. Together, these instruments will form a new generation of observatories, each one extending our vision deeper into the cosmos. But the James Webb Space Telescope has already changed astronomy in a fundamental way. It has revealed a universe more dynamic, more complex, and more interconnected than we ever imagined. A universe where galaxies form earlier than expected, where stars are born in intricate cosmic structures, where planets with complex atmospheres orbit distant stars, and where the chemical ingredients for life may be scattered throughout space. In the vast darkness beyond our world, light continues to travel across unimaginable distances, carrying with it the history of the universe. And now, with the James Webb Space Telescope, we are finally able to read that history, to see the faint glow of the first galaxies, to peer inside stellar nurseries, to analyze the atmospheres of distant worlds, to search for signs that we are not alone. It is not just a telescope. It is a time machine, a chemical analyzer, and a window into the deepest mysteries of existence. a machine that is helping humanity move from wondering about the universe to truly understanding it. And as Webb continues its journey, observing the cosmos in silence, one thing is becoming increasingly clear. We are living in the moment when the universe is beginning to reveal its secrets, and we are finally ready to listen.